of electricity. This shows consistencies that our own plothrix show a known hetrix of hetrix here. This just shows that consistently we would need a known forthright of forthrights of forthrights, which would mean we would need two-thirds of a known extrix here, and then show a plexi of plexi. So we would need a double formed plexi exformix, which would show itself even through a metal cobalt pad normally through its own plexis of plexis for it being so disrupt. This shows consistencies here that we can strip a metal cobalt pad and then show it force here. This would show that all we would have to do is strip both pylons and then reupholster it and then show its contingencies of wattage through its own epithermal, which would mean that we would need a hot conductor with a nuke warm sensation of feeling. So it would need to be an endoscopic endoabroptic, which is known as like 17 other periodic table elements that can do this normally. This would show more than like 18.5 and 6 up of the periodic table numbers, and all we would have to do is elevate them to about like a 17.6 fold, which is just inertia in the machine to heat up and then conduct and then lower its viscosity and then bring its viscosity back up. This would show an endoscopic liquid titanium lithium, which is a known plaster of plasters here. This would show a conductivity of 5 to 8 to 10, and then we would show a contingency of knowing wattage to wattage to wattage. So this means we could be postering these on lampposts and on any type of wooden works, and they would work perfectly. And there would be no derise, so there would be no reason to give functionality towards its own matrix of its own contingent. It would show a plethora of